my channel. So today is a bit of a different one actually. I'm gonna take a seat. So Ryan and I have moved into my mum's house because we're buying a house and stuff. So we've moved in here for a couple of months so that we can just, you know, save a bit of money instead of paying rent again. Blah 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 blah. Hey Di, I'm back with my gorgeous diamond. Oh, my brightness is too up so you can't see her properly. Can you see her now? Diamond, wave to the camera. Say hello. Oh, okay, bye. Off to sleep again. Anywho, so yeah, so I don't have a space to like film my videos or anything. So I'm gonna transform this area over here into like my little YouTube space, I guess. It's quite messy at the moment. My mum doesn't really use this area. She uses it to practice piano sometimes. But yes, I'm gonna try and take all this out, or at least like put it in a neater fashion so that you don't see it, because I guess when you film videos, I think I'm going to use this corner like that, like to film my videos. I think it's quite cool having the both different walls, so I guess it's going to be like that-ish. You'll see me like over here, hello, talking and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan, that's what I'm going to do, and let's get started. Right, I'm not sure if this looks good yet. I think it's looking okay. I've just moved those things around, cleaned up obviously. And yeah, I've moved them more into the corner so that I'll be sitting here and you'll see sort of both sides. Hopefully it works. And then this is Demi's, my sister's skeleton, which she doesn't even use. So she's at uni now as well, so I'm just gonna pop that in the corner where no one sees it. Right, I got some things that used to be in our living room. So butterfly thing, which I absolutely love, like butterflies are my spirit animal. The time is now, a little sign, a little calendar, and some flowers. So I'm not sure if I'm going to, oh, and I'm going to set up my mic and stuff there as well, and a picture which I should bring down as well. Oof, I've brought the other stuff now as well. So I have a mic, I have my picture, so I've got my Yeti mic here, and I've also got a picture, a candle, oh, a book even, my notebook, picture of Ryan and I, and yeah. and some lights as well. So I feel like a scrounger, like I've been just scrounging around. Oh, that looks so ugly. So rummaging around, seeing what I can put over here. But these trousers are falling down as well. But yeah, whew, I'm out of breath. Try and see it as like I would be here. Let me zoom in a bit so I can get the ambiance. It'd be like this. I think. Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. No, it'd be a bit further back actually. A candle. Maybe a candle here. Yes, a candle there in the center. Perfecto. Now, do I want this book here? Adds a bit of colour. Ooh, I'm acting like a fool. I'm actually acting like a fool. Anyway, I've got the book, or I could get the book and the, oh, you can't see that actually. Can't see that still. Sort of see it, I think. Yeah. No, that looks very busy again. I think it's because of the flowers. I really like the flowers as a touch. Then I put a picture of Ryan and I, which you can't see. That's going away because you can't see it, so there's no point. No, looks silly. I don't want the day because if I'm filming something, I don't want to keep changing the date and post it on that day, and you know I'm not having to change the dates around. So I think the butterfly wins, unless I put a butterfly here. If you can see that, and then the candle there. Let me look. So that's it so far. Just need to get a chair, one of my dining set chairs, and put all these wires away downstairs, and then, yeah, because you won't be seeing them down below, so that's good. And then, yeah, that's it basically. So I'm going to try and get the chair now. Be with you in a mo. Hello! So, the process is finito. I had a minor, just going to turn this light off. Had a minor malfunction. The chair that I wanted to use, like our dining table chairs, we can't find the screws, so long story short, I can't use the chair. So I'm sticking to my mum's good old chair. Mum! What? You can't turn the heater on, it's background noise. So I'm using this chair, but the corner is finished. Let's have a look. So here it is, the finished corner. Okay, I'm just going to end this real quick then before he starts drilling again. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you can make a YouTube background inspo as well. Like, we'll see.
What was it for though?
I don't know if I can even film with it. Yeah, I was just talking over the top of me. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the next video. Peace.